Assalamualaikum dear students. I am Memorisa from Peshawar Model School Nashera campus. Today is the third SVT lecture of chemistry for grade 9, which is the numerical number third. Numerical number third is also related to the average atomic mass. In the last lecture I have already explained that what is meant by average atomic mass, how we will find out the value of average atomic mass. Today we will solve the second numerical related to the average atomic mass on page number 20. Look at the question. Naturally occurring gallium consists of 60.108% gallium 69 with a mass of 68.9256 AMU and 39.892% gallium 71 with a mass of 70.9247 AMU. Calculate the average atomic mass of gallium. We have two isotopes of gallium, gallium 69 and gallium 71, and we have to find out the average atomic mass of gallium. But before explaining this numerical, you must have to know that gallium 69, the relative atomic mass of gallium 69 is 68.9256 AMU, and the relative atomic mass of gallium 71 is 70.9247 AMU. We will use the relative atomic masses instead of gallium 69 and gallium 71. Now move toward the solution. Numerical number 2. What is given? First isotope of gallium 69, relative atomic mass is 68.9256 AMU. Its percent abundance is 60.108%. Second isotope is gallium 71. Its relative atomic mass is 70.9247 AMU. Its percent abundance is 39.892%. What we required the average atomic mass of gallium. We will find out the average atomic mass of gallium. Now move toward the solution. As we know that average atomic mass is equal to atomic mass of isotope, first isotope into its percent abundance divided by 100 plus atomic mass of second isotope into its percent abundance divided by 100. It's mean that the value of atomic mass of first isotope is multiplied to its percent abundance, then the divided by 100. In the next step, the value of second isotope, atomic mass of second isotope is multiplied to its percent abundance, then the value will be divided on 100. Putting the values in the above equation, the atomic mass of first isotope is 68.9256. What is the atomic mass of first isotope? 68.9256. Putting the value in the equation, its percent abundance is 60.108%. Its percent abundance is 60.108%. Now multiply both the values and then divide by 100, and the value will be 41.42. This is the value of first step. Now the second step, atomic mass of second isotope into its percent abundance divided by 100. Atomic mass of second isotope is 70.9247. Its percent abundance is 39.892%. Multiply both the values, then divide by 100. The value will be 28.30. Now add both the values, then the answer will be 69.723. This is the average atomic mass of gallium. The average atomic mass of gallium is 69.723. Now take a closer look of the numerical. You may take the screenshot of the numerical number 2. Okay. Now move toward the numerical number third, which is on page number 20 also. Calculate the atomic mass of neon from the given data. Neon atomic number is 10. Okay, the first isotope of neon is neon 20. Its percent abundance is 90.51%. Neon isotope second is neon 21. Its percent abundance is 0.25%. Neon isotope 3 is neon 22. Its percent abundance is 9.22%. It's mean that in total 100%, neon 20 is 90.51%, neon 21 is 0.25%, and neon 22 is 9.22%. We have to find out the average atomic mass for neon because neon have 3 atomic masses. Now let's move toward the solution. What is given? The first isotope of neon is 20, its percent abundance is 90.51. Second isotope is neon 21, its percent abundance is 0.27%. Third isotope of neon is neon 22, its percent abundance is 9.22%. What we required? We required the average atomic mass of neon. Move toward the solution. Average atomic mass of neon. N is symbol for neon. Now atomic look at the equation. Atomic mass of isotope 1 into its percent abundance divided by 100. Atomic mass of isotope 2 into its percent abundance divided by 100. In the third step, atomic mass of isotope 3 into its percent abundance divided by 100, putting the value in the above equation. Now what is the atomic mass of first isotope? Atomic mass of isotope 1 is 20. Now put the value of 20. What is its percent abundance? Its percent abundance is 90.51. Now putting the value 90.51. Multiply both the values, then divide by 100. Okay, then the value will be 18.102. And the second step is atomic mass of isotope 2. What is the atomic mass of isotope 2? It is 21. The atomic mass of isotope 2 is 21. Its percent abundance is 0.27. Okay, the percent abundance of isotope 2 is 0.27. Multiply both the values, then divide by 100. The value will be 0.0567. Now move toward the third step, atomic mass of isotope 3. What is the atomic mass of isotope 3? Atomic mass of isotope 3 is 22. Putting the value of 22. What is its percent abundance? Its percent abundance is 9.22%. Multiply both the values, then divide by 100. The value will be 2.0284. Now add the three values, then we will find out the average atomic mass of neon, which is 20.18. What is the average atomic mass of neon? The average atomic mass of neon is 20.18. This is third numerical related to the average atomic mass. Now this is the fourth numerical related to the average atomic mass in your exercise on page number 38. Calculate the average atomic mass of lithium from the following data. Isotope 1, isotope 2. Lithium have two isotope, lithium 6 and lithium 7. This is the natural abundance of lithium first, which is 7.5. Its relative atomic mass is 6.0151. Okay, this is the second isotope of lithium, which is lithium 7. Its natural abundance is 92.5% and its relative atomic mass is 7.0160. You have to find out the average atomic mass for the lithium by the method which I have explained, and the answer must be 6.940. Thank you.